So you guys can barely see me. Yeah, so we got a lot to unbox. So this is like months worth of gifting, PR, that type of shit. It's been literally months. Literally months. I got some scissors, so let's just get into it. I guess we can start with this box first. It's from Giant Vintage. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, Giant Vintage is a sunglass brand. They make like vintage inspired glasses. Alright, what do we think? These are cute. I feel like honestly both of them are cute. Like I'm looking at both of them from the mirror and like these are just like smaller, but I like them. And I love like retro anything, so like these are definitely giving retro vibes. That's why I like this brand. Alright, so this one is from Lamoda, just like it says on the box right here. And they sent me some like Mary Janes. These ones are super cute because they got like this chain like detailing on them. She cute. She cute. I'm like really short. I'm like 5 feet exactly. So I love me a platform. Literally like right now I'm wearing Uggs, and they also have like a really thick platform, like maybe like 1.5 inches honestly. So yeah, I think this is like 2 inches or maybe 3. So I don't really know. So these are cute. I love them. Next up, so I opened this, but I didn't actually like open this. If you see, like everything's still in the packages. I just like didn't know who this was from, so I had to like figure it out. But this is from Alfred Eden. I love this brand so much. They always like got the cutest things, and it's always at like pretty affordable prices. So I also do have a discount code for them. So you guys know I love me some baggy jeans, so of course that's what I was able to pick out. Oh my god, look at it, fits so good. I'm always like way too short for baggy, for actually any pants, so I always have to cut them at the bottom. So when I do, that's when I will try these on and actually show them. So stay tuned for that. Ooh, we got some jorts. That's actually like perfect for like, it's already like May 22nd, no, not May. It's already like April 22nd. So it's basically like spring's kind of like almost over. We're already basically into summer almost. So this is like perfect. And I always like size up because I like them like super low rise and like super baggy. Okay, next we got like a leather jacket. It's like a leather bomber jacket. Oh wait, this is so cute. Does it have pockets? I hate it when jackets have like fake pockets. I feel like anything made for women, like women's clothing never has like good pockets. I don't know why. It's like, do you think we don't make pockets? Because we do. Like especially like arm pockets. Like I like to be cozy. Like look how this fits. It just looks so good. It almost like fits like the Supreme leather jacket. And it's got like their brand logo right here. It's so cute. I love how it fits. Like, and it doesn't go like too far. It's almost like crop. Okay, so next they sent me this hoodie. I just have to like cover myself. I think this is the back. What do we think? It's so comfy. I wonder if like the hoodie like passes the hoodie check, because like so far like how it fits, I want to say that the hoodie's hoodieing. The hoodie's hoodieing. Alright, so this one's from Sugar Bear. They make like hair vitamins. I feel like that's what they're like most known for. And I guess they just came out with this lash serum to make your eyelashes grow, which is amazing because I haven't been able to get lash extensions since 2022. I had to quit because I became like allergic to them. And the best part is that they literally gave me 3 packs. So it's a 3-month supply. I don't know if it means like 1 month per bottle or if it's 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, because that means like this is almost like a year. This is exciting. I can't wait to try this. I might like do like a video on see if it's actually working, like show you guys my lashes look before and after. Let me know if you want that. So next is a box from Lily Lashes. They spoil me every time. They give me so many lashes. They give me tweezers. I'm so happy. You don't know how often I need tweezers. Like you can never have enough tweezers. Like be fucking for real, especially like with my nails. Like please. Okay, so they gave me this one. It's in the style Goddess. I love their lash glue. They gave me some lash glue, so I'm actually really excited. And these are the tweezers. So it's like a lash applicator and it has literally like a little comb on the end. pants. They are genius for that. Okay, they sent me a lash curler. You can never have enough lash curlers either. They sent me some scissors. You know how important it is to trim your lashes. Like, you need it to fit right if you want it to look right. You know what I'm saying? And they gave me some individuals. I love that. All right, this one's from Victor & Wolf. It's like a perfume brand. This one's called Good Fortune. It's like really strong, and I love strong perfumes. I want to leave like a scent trail everywhere I go. So cute. And I think even the perfume color is literally like a dark. Oh, it makes me it gives like witchy, like dark feminine, some fatale vibes. And this is going straight in my purse right now. All right, so this one is from Wow Beauty. She sent me this literally like, I want to say in December or January, so sorry girl, it took me so long. She sent me 2 lip glosses in the color Brazil and Colombia. All right, so this is Brazil. It's like a milky nude. Oh, I'm so excited. I love milky lip glosses. The last time I had like a milky lip gloss was NYX Cosmetics. I think it's like the milk gloss. I think that's what it's called. So I'm super excited to try this. This one's in the color Columbia. Okay, it's like a really like pretty, almost like a milky but like nude pink. I love it. I cannot wait. So next we got packages from Smashbox. Sculpt and Glow Face Palette. It says it's buildable and blendable and smooths and blurs skin and nourishes skin and masks all day. This is the pink box. This is what it looks like. So this is like in the brown one. So it's like a darker palette, and like even like the blush is like, I know it's like hard to see because like the light is like blinding, but that just shows like this is gonna be a beautiful blinding highlight. I'm really excited to try out all these colors, literally both of them. So they have sent me the photo finish blurring primer before. I'm not even out of it yet, so it's nice to have like another one ready to go. And then they gave me a lip pencil. Let's swatch it real quick. It's super creamy and soft. I wonder if it smudges. Barely smudges, and I had just put that on like seconds before, and like this was the other side of my finger, so like barely. And then they sent me like a red liquid lipstick. I don't know if it's MAC or not. I have no idea. Which I'm not like crazy about red lipsticks, period, but it's like a brown liner, which is like, that's what we need. Girls like me, that's what we need. I can't just go with like a red or a pink or like. And they gave me another eyeliner, which I do have this one still, but I swear to God I lost it. I've been looking for it everywhere, so I'm actually really happy that they sent me this one again. And then they sent me this one, which I literally have this exact mascara on right now, so you can tell I'm a fan. And it's literally called Super Fan Fanned Out Mascara, and it works. Alright, so next we got a package from Julie Care, which if you don't know, it's a brand that makes like Plan B or something like that, and it makes it like accessible without any judgment or any like side eyes at the counter or anything, like when you're at Walgreens or like CVS or like whatever store, honestly. So like really nice just to have this like just in like your medicine cabinet or something, because you never know when you're gonna need this. So yeah, period. Next we got clothes from IMG. Okay, so they gave me a bikini top. So it looks like this. It's like literally like the iconic like bikini top that I feel like they got. It's like a string triangle bikini top. I love like simple bikinis, and it's like not padded, which I actually really like also, because I just feel like the padding just like, don't get me started. And they gave me, I guess, like the matching bottoms. Oh my god, okay, so it's like thong bottom, like bikini bottom. It's so cute. I'll have to try this on. I'm gonna post it. This is literally perfect for summer. I'm gonna be wearing this. Don't you worry, I'm gonna be wearing this. Alright, so this is, I think, a skirt. A maxi skirt with like a side slit, and it's literally mesh, which is actually so cute. I don't know how it's gonna fit though. It's an extra small, and I don't know. Next we got like this corset top. In the back it literally ties up. I have faith that it'll make me look really good, especially since I can like tie it. This one definitely is gonna fit, like I already know. So next we got, they're like these track pants with like the like tracksuit like material, and they got pockets. Girl. They have like this cute little like detail on the back. And the band is like really thick, so I feel like it's gonna make me look good. I'm really excited, and I love red, and I actually have like a really cute bag that would go with this. It's like an Adidas sporty bag. I'm gonna be posting this one real soon. We got some booty shorts. These are our size double extra small. I'm a little nervous. These are so cute. I can already tell like my booty's not gonna be fitting, but actually these are like low rise. Oh my god, these are gonna be so cute. Last we got a little tank. Okay, this could be so cute. I cannot wait to try this on. I'm so excited. I don't think I can stop saying that. Like, this is literally actually like Christmas right now. I've literally got one last thing, but I'm gonna like let my camera just chill out for a sec. Okay, so last but not least, my puka did gift me this beautiful, it's pretty big puka. It's an AK-47, it's literally bedazzled. You guys know I'm literally a whore for anything bedazzled. So this, I guess I'm holding it the wrong way. This, literally a work of art. I think it comes in like pink, black, and gold, and obviously silver. But for my aesthetic in my house, in my casa, I really like the silver. Oh, she's heavy too. It comes with this for the coals, and obviously like everything in order to like set it up, like put it together. There is like a YouTube video online, and I will have to follow that in order to put this together. Because I'm not like completely sure, but it literally came with everything, and it's beautiful, and I'm so excited. So yeah, I just wanted to include it in this video because it was also gifting, but it's already kind of been like sitting out like as decoration. So thank you so much. Honestly, thank you so much for all the brands that gave me all these gifts. This is actually like a really fun video to make. I've never done like an unboxing before, so if you like this video, let me know and maybe I'll make more. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hate outros, so I think I'm gonna just end it right here. I'll see you guys in my next video.